sitting on the balcony eating our breakfast. Ooh. Wearing robes. I'd film my face, but I look disgusting. I haven't done my shower yet. Pardon? Oh, they're coming towards us. It's like a wave. It's horrible. I love the Italy pavilion. It's so pretty. I wish Italy did a quick service. I wish Italy did a quick service. I think they might be. Looks like the reception bit might be on. Oh no, there's the bridesmaids.
Those people aren't just. Yeah, that's what I mean.
They've probably just gone up there and had a look. They've got first visit badges on. They're definitely not going to a wedding.
Maybe they're in front.
Look at the dresses. They're pretty.
Maybe the bride's already in the car because it seems like they're leaving.
Yeah, and the bride and groom would normally leave first. I know, I like them. Ohana's is packed. Busy. I'm gonna get a pineapple cocktail and a pineapple.
Sorry.
Lambert's.
Is it?
Lambert's.
Lambert's?
Yeah.
How are you doing today? Pretty good. Nice to meet you.
You've got a Mickey.
Do you know she came back where you're from?
Not Mickey.
Oh, I see. Okay, where?
Yeah.
Just next to it.
It's just next to it.
What about the restaurant? First timers?
No.
How long ago was your last week? Maybe weeks ago.
About a year.
Alright, so you know about the chicken, right? We've been screaming in today.
This way?
What'd you guys do today?
No. we went around the world.
Okay. Well,
We just didn't drink it around it.
Sorry you didn't do that. And after dinner, any plans?
Fantastic.
I love that's my favorite show.
I want a window. Oh good, it's a window. I'm gonna go this way. I've never been here without like I know, last time I came I had a big table.
Right there. Right there.
Welcome to Ohana.
Let's take a picture of it as well. Mari's mac and cheese challenge. To eat all the mac and cheese. She ordered for 3 people. Got a cocktail. And a pineapple. Exciting.
She was super in Joe's ear. The dessert. Is there an alternative?
Can I just get a video of the sticks?
Yeah, these sticks.
Oh, they look interesting. Oh, pretend we're eating from them. Yay! Okay. I forgot to do it before. make an arch.
Put it in the back, ladies. If anything else, let me know.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Hey, wait a minute. What? We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No. Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
How about some backstage passes? With some pizza.
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
But Steven, the pizza.
Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay.
Make it happen.
Make it happen.
Yay!
We got it. We got it.
All of you.
See ya.